really been a tremendous year. We'd like to thank, obviously, our sponsors, Nokia, Nokia, obviously, has been huge in this, and Molten and Nike have supported this program as well. People need to take hold and catch the vision that you're looking at some of just really the future of Philippine basketball right here. And we're just really thankful that we've had the opportunity to be a part of this first year of what will be many years to come. Now, before I go on, we've had the privilege and the support of the BAP, Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, who's really just, without them as well, this would not exist, this program would not exist. You know, we want to do this together in a unified approach to bring this nation together, to bring basketball to greater heights, to transform the landscape of Philippine basketball. And somebody who's just been behind us from the very start, from day one of this program, is the Executive Director of the BAP SBP. I'd like to ask for Mr. Patrick Gregorio to come speak to us. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Coach Alex. Maraming salamat sa pag-imbita niyo sa akin, Coach Eric. Mabuhay ang Nokia Pilipinas National Basketball Training Center. Mabuhay ang mga graduates natin. Gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa pagdalo ng mga parents, mga dami akong nakikitang personalities rito, ang ating mga media partners. Nakikita ko si Mr. Ong ng PBL, Mr. Ong, Tita Beth of Inquirer, Tita Beth, of course, Coach Boggs, Alvin, Glenn, Mr. Fran, buhay kayong lahat po ng parents, maraming salamat po sa inyo. As you can see, I did this on purpose, even if I'm sweating inside, I did this on purpose. It's been a long time since I last wore this. This is the jacket of the national team, the RP Men's national team, and it is called Pilipinas Basketball. It is sponsored by Nike, and the RPU is sponsored by, of course, Nokia. Nandito po, nakita ko rin, of course, ang national coach ng RPU, Coach Franz Pumaren. Coach Franz, thank you for joining us. What is important, I guess, is for me to tell you how this all started, how we developed this. We started this a year ago when we were conceptualizing a program that will benefit the Filipino youth, the Filipino basketball player, both men and women. It was not easy. As a matter of fact, it was so difficult. But now, we're culminating our first year program, and I was told by the program head, Coach Eric Altamirano, that we will do a repackaging and a more exciting program next season. And we are really excited. And I hope you continue playing, I hope you continue developing your skills, because this is the future of Philippine basketball. Tall, young, passionate basketball players, both men and women. I repeat, both men and women. That is part of the program of BAP Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. I have to say this, maybe you don't understand, but your parents will understand. Yes, even in basketball, there is politics. But that is not your problem. That is not your problem too. That is the problem of the basketball leaders. As long as there is funding from major sponsors, as long as there's support from the parents and from the media, this program will continue. We just have to isolate and insulate it from the politics in basketball. That is normal. In the next few weeks, the RP youth team will practice again. Coach Franz told me 3 times a day, because they will leave for Iran on August 25 when they compete for the for the Asian Youth Basketball that we last won in 1982. Is that correct, Coach Fran? Coach Fran was a member of that team. He was 14 years old then, in 1982. That was the last time we won the Asian Youth Championship. But let me tell you that I have been telling Coach Eric also that next year, the Shaba Southeast Asian Basketball Championship will not be the under 18 but will be the under 16. So the under 16 NBTC will be our national team next year. And if we qualify for the World Championship, the top 2 in Iran will qualify for the World Championship in New Zealand, this time under 19. So kung napapansin niyo po, yung programa ng FIBA at ang programa ng BAP sa Mahang Basketball ng Pilipinas magka-align. And I am very happy to share this with all of you. So in behalf of our President, the Chairman of PLDT, Manuel V. Pangilinan, congratulations, stay focused, the best is yet to come. Mabuhay ang Philippine Basketball, mabuhay ang Nokia NBTC. Salamat po.